But don't today combo. First of all, collect your daily bonus and go to spin and combo daily combo. Your first card is brown bird, and second card. Where is second card? Here last, and your third card is third bird is black, and your fourth last bird is number 4. Check your collection. Check. I got 50k on down bird, but don't go to back and go to spin again. Spin. Check your wheel. Okay, wait. Then first spin. Check your first spin. I got 0.07. No problem. Let's click and spin again. I got 500 point, and let's check 3x how I can cut. Oh, wait. Thank you, Mr. Don't know.